This is Tajamul Adil. Today I'm talking about Apple Carplay apps, and I have selected 12 apps for you and one bonus app you can find at the end of the video. I have created 4 sections for the video. In the beginning, let's talk about the navigation and GPS apps. I have selected Google Map, Waze Map and Sygic Map. Google Map is your traditional navigation app. You punch in a location and it will find a way to get you there, no matter how you plan on doing it. You could walk, drive, cycle or take the bus, and Google Map has something for you. Waze, on the other hand, is built exclusively for cars and motorcycle users. Rather than finding a single path to your destination and leaving you to it, Waze is always analyzing conditions to try and get you there the fastest possible way. Sygic GPS Navigation and Maps. The major advantage of using the Sygic GPS app is that it will guide you safely to your destination even without an internet connection. You can easily download whole country map easily, and also Sygic includes high quality 3D maps. Second category which I have selected for you is the music, and I have selected Tidal music app, Spotify and YouTube music. One major advantage of Tidal is its commitment to high quality audio. The platform offers lossless audio streaming, which means that the music you listen to it's a higher quality than on other platforms, and by the way it offers you MQA, high resolution audio streaming. Spotify is aiming to make its presence across the globe, and its availability in 184 countries speaks for itself. On the top of that, the application is straightforward to use, allowing users to get started with a few clicks or taps. For the YouTube music, it's hard to defeat Spotify, Tidal and Apple Music in the streaming music apps. YouTube Music is an interesting alternative that provides a different experience compared to them. The third category which I have selected, you can make phone calls and send messages. The top picks for this category is phone calls, WhatsApp messages, Telegram and Skype. The Apple CarPlay unit can make calls while on the move, and you can easily answer them. You are also able to send and receive messages and have Siri read them while you drive. On Apple CarPlay, WhatsApp is handled like any other messaging app out there, so you can receive a new message. You should see a notification showing up on the screen. Now I'm talking about Telegram, which you can use in the Apple CarPlay. The famous Telegram application can be used and installed like any other messaging application. You can send a message to anyone in the Telegram user, and also you can make a call. While using Skype app, you just won't be able to type or send a message using the Skype app on your Apple Car screen. However, you can still receive calls using Skype app. Now I'm talking about meetings, which can help you to join online meetings, and I have selected Teams and Zoom for you. Zoom now support Apple CarPlay. This means you can join online meeting such as calling a contact and accepting meeting invitations. Teams will bring a user to a new calendar view where they can see upcoming meetings of the day, see progress bars indicating meeting progress, and you can join online meeting using CarPlay. Last but not the least, I have selected a browser application for you. The only Brave browser is available in the Apple CarPlay, but you can't open any website using Brave browser. You can open YouTube on it and create a playlist of your videos. You can only listen to the music, not the video. I hope you like the list of the apps which I have selected for the Apple CarPlay, and I have done the video on the Apple CarPlay, how to install and how to use. You can find the video here. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in this video.